Hi y'all, I'm Tess. This is Good Moves with Well+Good, and today I'm going to walk you through yoga breathing for beginners. So this series is going to be a lot of focus on your inhale, your exhale. If you've never heard of Ujjayi Breathing and you're like, what is that? This is for you. So if you're going to a yoga class or you've been practicing at home, you're likely practicing Vinyasa yoga as we know it today. And all that Vinyasa really means is that you're intentionally linking breath with your movement. So a series that includes a lot of focus on breathing in and then exhaling to deepen that posture. So I'm facing you, but come to the top of your mat, bring your feet together, really feel the mat underneath your feet. Soften your knees a little bit so you're not locking out anywhere. And it might feel funny, but bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly, and go ahead and blink your eyes closed. And really just establish that connection between your feet and the mat below you. Feel your breath moving underneath your palms, not manipulating it in any way, just finding the natural rhythm of your own breath. Exhale completely. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth, let it spill. And if it feels good to make noise, make noise. Take a big breath in through your nose. Hold. Open your mouth, release. So like you're fogging up a mirror with your mouth. Big breath in through your nose. Hold. Take one more sip of air in. Part your lips, release. Once more, breathe in through your nose. Open your mouth, let it go. And this time, inhale through your nose, fill up your hands, your belly, your lungs, hold. Keep your lips sealed with the same sighing quality, exhale through your nose. Once more together, big breath in. Easy breath out. And now just give your breath voice. So inhale, constricting your throat as you breathe in. Keep that air moving through your throat as you exhale. Blink your eyes open. And that's your Ujjayi breathing. So you're at the top of your mat. I'm going to join you. My feet are together, arms by my side, Tadasana, mountain pose. As you breathe in, reach arms overhead, see hands touch. Exhale to fold forward. Breathe into your half lift. Step back to a plank pose. And then just drop your knees, coming to hands and knees. And if your knees are sensitive, grab a blanket, place it underneath your knees for some support. Really see that your hands are underneath your shoulders, your knees are underneath your hips. And really press your palms into the ground. See how my chest just lifted away from the mat? That's gonna give you optimal breathing in your torso. On your next inhale, drop your belly, arch your back, look up, cow pose. And exhale to round, tuck your chin to your chest, really press down through hands and feet. Two more like this. Breathe in, lift your head, your heart, your hips. Exhale to round, feel your shoulders move away from your spine. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out to round. Inhale to a neutral spine, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. So hips move up and back. Take time to walk out your feet if you haven't warmed up today. Big breath in through your nose. Keep your lips sealed, exhale through your nose, downward facing dog. Inhale, your right leg lifts. Step forward to low lunge as you breathe out. You're welcome to stay on all 10 fingertips. I'm going to grab my blocks to give my torso a little more room for my breath. Breathe in, gaze and chest forward. And as you exhale, straighten that front leg, fold heavy over your leg. Big breath into the back of that hamstring. Exhale, fold a little deeper. And now one breath per movement. So inhale, low lunge. Exhale, hips up and back. One more time, breathe in, low lunge, and exhale to fold. Inhale back to your lunge. Ditch those blocks. Hands to the mat, step to downward facing dog. Stay for a big breath in. Notice where your head is. And exhale, really just be where your hands and your feet are. Inhale your left leg up. Step your foot between your hands for low lunge. Great place to be, all 10 fingertips on the ground, or grab your blocks for a little more space. Breathe in, sternum, chest forward, and exhale to fold. Big breath in, imagine sending it to a lung behind your left hamstring. Exhale, fold a little deeper. Breathe in, rebend, low lunge. Find that space across collarbones. Exhale, straighten and fold. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale back to your low lunge. Ditch your blocks. Come to downward facing dog. Big breath in. Exhale, stay. Start to walk your feet to your hands. Take your time. Baby steps are still progress. Bend your knees, hands to hips, and on an inhale, rise all the way up. Continue facing the top of your mat, one hand to heart, one hand to belly. I'll face you, and we'll close together. So blink your eyes closed. Take a big breath in. Easy breath out. Hands together at heart center. Namaste. I'm Tess. If you'd like more workouts, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel, and I'll see you there.